Hey guys, welcome to another 5 minutes of eats. Today I'm going to show you the cache annotation. And this annotation, when running with eats, does exactly what it says. It caches calls to a certain method. So what I've got here is a URL image loader. It loads an image from a URL that you provide. So it goes online, fetches the image data, reads it in, waits for all the image data to come in, and returns you a new image. So as you can imagine, this operation could take quite a while, especially if the image is pretty big. So what I'm going to use here is this test image, which is either 2 or 4 megs, I can't remember. I'm going to go ahead and load the image without using the cache annotation. This commented out right now. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put it in here. I'm going to hit load, and then you're going to see it pop up in the bottom once it's done loading. So we're waiting here in the bottom for it to load. Still waiting. There it is, finally loaded. So I can hit load again, you'll see a second one pop up here. And we're still waiting. Waiting for the second one to load. There it is. So you see, it took a while for the second image to load, but we already have the image, so we shouldn't need to go back online, download the image, and put it up, since we already have it. Which is why we're going to use the cache annotation to solve this problem for us. There we go, we finally got our third image. So let me show you what this looks like with the cache annotation. Go ahead and allow the cache or annotate the method with cache. There's a few options here. Cache type, reference. That means we're either going to be using weak or soft references to store the values in the cache. Reference type, weak. Weak just means that if nothing else in the system references that image we've loaded, that JVM can garbage collect it. There's also soft you can use, which means that if the JVM is starting to run out of memory and nothing references the images in the cache, then we can clear it. So there's a slight difference between weak and soft in that soft probably going to retain the images longer until the JVM is starting to run out of memory. Weak, pretty much going to lose them as soon as you lose references to them. Then of course there's hard, which the cache will never be cleared out. But we're going to go ahead and use weak references. So let me show you how this works with our cache annotation that we've just added. So we're going to load the image. First time it's going to take a while because we haven't loaded it yet. So waiting for it down here. There it is. So now since we already have it, all subsequent loads should be pretty darn fast. It's already there. Click again, it's there. Click again, it's already there. So you can see that the image that we requested is being cached by our load image. So just with one little line of code, you can take a slow performing method and cache it. Simple as that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this second 5 minutes of eats, and I'll see you next time.